Hey viewers, this is Rani. Welcome to Rani's ANS. In the previous video, we have started forms of market. We know there are two forms of market. Which one? Perfect competition and imperfect competition. What is perfect competition? Perfect competition is a market condition where everything is assumed to be perfect, perfect in sense of product, price, factors of production, etc. But you also know this that this is a hypothetical market. What is hypothetical? Hypothetical means imaginary. We all know this market doesn't exist. ज़्यादा परफेक्ट कंपटीशन में ना घुस के हम आगे चलते हैं इम्परफेक्ट कंपटीशन की तरफ. व्हाट इज इम्परफेक्ट कंपटीशन? Imperfect competition is a market with some features of competitive market. Competitive market is a condition we see in day to day life. ये तो हम हर जगह देखते हैं जहाँ पे competitive market चल रहा है, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे बायर्स हैं और बहुत सारे सेलर्स भी हैं. तो हम क्या देखेंगे? What are types of imperfect competition? There are many types of markets which come under imperfect competitions. First one is monopoly. Monopoly. The term monopoly comes from Greek word mono, which means single, and poly means seller. As in, he has the control over the whole market. There are no close substitutes. As you may be knowing, there are many monopoly firms in India. So let us take this example of Indian Railways. If you want to travel from one place to another, you have to take your goods from one place to another, or you have to travel normal, and you have to go by train. You can't buy your own train. तुम खुद की ट्रेन तो नहीं खरीद सकते हो. Let us proceed to definition. According to E.H. Chamberlain, what is his full name? Edward Hastings Chamberlain. He is also American economist, a neoclassical economist too. Monopoly refers to a single firm which has control over the supply of a product which has no close substitute. यहाँ पे कोई close substitute नहीं है कि तुम्हारे आजू बाजू कोई तुम्हें तुम्हारे टाइप का प्रोडक्ट दिख जाए. ऐसा कोई अलग फर्म नहीं होता है. तुम्हारा एक ही फर्म है जो काम कर रहा है उस प्रोडक्ट पे. ओके, लेट अस प्रोसीड टू फीचर्स. बट उसके पहले मैं कुछ बताऊंगी. हियर देर इज़ नो कंपटीशन. वाई देर इज़ नो कंपटीशन? बिकॉज एक ही तो फर्म है, वो क्या ही कंपटीशन करने वाले. इफ यू आर रनिंग अ रेस and if you are only one who is running a race, and if you come first, will that make any sense? That if you are coming first, if you are completing the race in 10 minutes, if you are completing the race in 20 minutes, it doesn't matter because you are only one. That is what no competition. Okay, first one is single seller. Here numbers of buyers are large and seller is single. For example, in India we have Indian Railways. Second feature, no close substitute. Here there is no similar product available. Here buyers have to have no chance rather than buying that product or walk away without it. Okay, the cross elasticity of demand for his product is either zero or negative. Cross elasticity of demand means an economic concept that measures the responsiveness in the quantity demanded of one good when the price for another good changes. यहाँ पे कोई दूसरा प्रोडक्ट है ही नहीं, तो अगर प्रोडक्ट दूसरा है ही नहीं तो उसका क्रॉस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड तो ज़ीरो ही आएगा ना, ज़ीरो या फिर नेगेटिव. तो यही सजेस्ट करता है नो क्लोज सब्सटीट्यूट. देन थर्ड वन, बैरियर्स टू एंट्री. एंट्री ऑफ द राइवल्स इज रेस्ट्रिक्टेड ड्यू टू लीगल, नेचुरल, टेक्नोलॉजिकल बैरियर्स which do not allow the competitors to enter the market. What is example of legal monopoly? We can take Amul Dairy. You can't imitate Amul Dairy products. You can't make same products like it. Then we have natural monopoly. Natural monopoly, mangoes that here in Ratnagiri cannot be produced more effectively in any other regions of India. That is what a natural monopoly. Technological barriers. What is technological barriers? Something you can't imitate something like Apple, Microsoft, YouTube or Google. That is technological monopoly. Fourth one, complete control over the market supply. The monopolist has complete hold over the market. He is the sole producer or the seller of the market. True, he is the only one. He is the only one who is producing. He is the only one who is selling. And so he knows how to manipulate the market, and he is the whole and soul who is dominating the market. Complete control. Then price maker. A monopolist is a price maker because he knows how much he has to sell his product to one person. Like he can demand more price from one person and less price from the another person for the same product. Monopolist is a price maker. Sixth one, price discrimination. Monopolist being a price maker, he can charge different prices. What is discrimination? Differentiation. He can charge different prices to different consumers for the same product. That's what I told in the price maker. On the basis of time, place, etc. He knows, for example, let us take a village fair where he knows people are gonna come in a large number and people are gonna buy products at his shop, in his shop. So he knows how much price he should demand. So and if he is in the normal place, just like there is no fair and all, then he will be taking less money. For example, students and senior citizens are provided railway tickets at concessional rates. Okay. Seventh one, probably the last one. No distinction between firms and industry. A monopolist is the sole seller and producer of the product. The products are made in the bakeries and sold in the bakeries itself. That is what we called as no distinction between firm and industry. Okay, so I am done with the features of monopoly. So I hope what are the features. In the next video, I will be coming with the types of monopoly. Stay tuned for the same. Thank you so much.